Hi, this is John with WTI, and I'm always looking for good options that are going to be easy, convenient, and that is not going to take so much time for me. I don't know, maybe I'm not the guy to be in the kitchen all the time. So I like to get in here, get in there really fast, cook what I have to do, and just do it. And this Kellogg's roasted flakes is just great because I don't even have to go to the kitchen. I just had to have this, pop it outside, keep working, just eating while I'm here. Just sometimes I would do it dry, but with milk, really good. You just get these guys out, put a little bit of milk, and you can eat and have a nice, easy, convenient, nice meal, I could say, and it just tastes awesome. There's normal uh, um, cornflake that is a little bit sugary, but at the same time is tastes great. I've been having this since I was a kid, and it haven't changed at all. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.